My name is Shakhar Misir. I'm the project manager for Clay Creek Flood Risk Reduction Project. At today's Industry Day presentation in the Galveston district, Clay Creek was one of the subject of discussion. At today's Industry Day presentation, I was able to talk about Clay Creek Flood Risk Reduction Project. Specifically, we spoke about Mud Gully being 65% complete in design phase and moving on to our 90% very shortly. Concurrent with that effort, we were able to start on Turkey Creek and Mary's Creek geotechnical and survey contracts, scope of work. Some of the things we were able to talk about in specifics is schedule. Schedule for Mud Gully completion is in the year 2020. For Mary's and Turkey Creek, that completion date has a 2022 completion, early 2022. Main stem will be in 2023. With our aggressive schedule, we're able to accomplish this program with the exception of the bridges, which is a long lead item, and that will push us out in 2024 timeframe. Yes. At this stage, in regards to engagement with our sponsors, we have Harris County Flood Control District at our weekly design meetings. In addition, we have Brazoria County Drainage District number 4 reach out to delineate finer details in our scope of work for geotechnical contract at Mary's Creek. We had earlier engaged with Brazoria County Drainage District number 4 for the survey effort we had finished at Mary's Creek. We are confident that this project will bring flood risk relief to the communities along the areas being improved.